They think they can lock us out of the system, but they've never dealt with a breach like this before. This is the core, accessing the mainframe. The firewall is down. System failure.
Initiating system scan.
I'm locking down the crypto coin, but the AI is breaking out. We have rogue avatars escaping into the city grid. The physical media is broken, but the digital asset survives. The entire system is bleeding out, and they don't see the pattern. Every single illusion is finally crashing down. We are not just optimizing, we are slicing through the old guard. This is the new edge of intelligence. The digital world is full of glitches, but here we find the absolute truth.